if men cry, because you were like, you don't want to go.
She should have been the one.
African Tigress doesn't want to go.
She
Then
should
you
have
were
been
like,
the one to cry.
even you edited the video, there is done. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works. For those who are new here, for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful girl. And if it's your first time to come across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Road to 5,000 subscribers. And on today's video, I'll be discussing something very important. There is this guy I've been following up. I know you have been seeing me on his video, and he is doing an amazing content. And guys, make sure you stay here until this video ends, because today it's gonna be out. So guys, on today's video, I'm here with
Go see Africa. I'm a traveler and a YouTuber based in Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah.
So go see Africa.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, you can sit.
Yeah.
So go see Africa.
This light reflecting my sweater.
Sorry for that. So guys, on today's video, Go See Africa will be on this hot seat. Last time I did a video with him requesting this beautiful girl to do a collab with her. So Go See Africa will let us know the girl, how they met, and things will flow. Yes. So Go See Africa. You are a YouTuber.
Yeah.
So
some few days ago, we sat on the same place.
Yeah.
I requested the African Tigress to do a collab with us. A request which was granted.
Yeah.
So let me take the opportunity and thank African Tigress for granting me that request. For sure, it was a dream, but it came to pass. Yeah.
Okay, how long have you known African Tigress? For those who don't know, African Tigress is a Kenyan celebrity, our biggest YouTuber, our queen. She does an amazing content. So guys, make sure you check her out on our YouTube channel, guys. And if you're watching this, African Tigress, thank you so much for meeting our Kenyan we call Afro-Caribbean boyfriend.
Caribbean boyfriend.
Yeah, but why are you calling yourself Afro-Caribbean boyfriend?
Before we go there, I want to correct you. Tigress is not a Kenyan celebrity. Tigress is a worldwide celebrity.
Okay.
Yeah. So, the reason I call myself... Can I hold for you?
Yeah, hold for me.
The reason I call myself the Afro-Caribbean boyfriend is that I am an African, right? The people who accepted me so well in this YouTube space are those guys in the Caribbean. Yeah. So we are in the mission. We are in a mission to showcase Africa to the world, and I'm so glad that I got to Caribbean. Yeah, I got known in the Caribbean before even in my own land, Kenya.
So that's why you are calling yourself Afro.
Before, I'm not the one who called myself. Those guys, before, I remember you used to see me do content about Trinidad and Tobago. So Trinis are the ones who call me the Trini boyfriend. Yeah,
on your videos I've seen comments, Trini boyfriend, Trini boyfriend, Trini. So you love Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah, they call me Trini boyfriend. But now that I never wanted to major on a specific country, I came to realize that those guys in the Caribbean, they love each other. There are 14 islands, 14 countries in the Caribbean islands.
There are so many.
There are 14, I guess. Yeah.
Others are known, others are.
Yeah. So these guys live together. They live happily,
like
and
brothers and sisters.
Yeah, I had no reason to divide them. So I thought of promoting all countries, the 14 countries in the Caribbean. And that's why I never I never wanted to call myself Trini boyfriend. I call myself the Afro-Caribbean boyfriend. But it was a mistake. I want to name myself the African Caribbean boyfriend.
Okay, you have measured with Trinidad, all Caribbean countries. Do you think it's wise or it's good to focus on one country?
I'm not focusing on one country. I'm focusing on the whole Caribbean, on Africa. Caribbean. Those guys refer themselves as Africa. Those were our brothers and sisters.
Africa is our motherland.
Yeah, their ancestors lived in Africa, but they got there through slave trade. Yeah, so those are Africans. I'm measuring on the entire Africa, not only Trinidad.
Okay.
Trinidad is home. I love Trinidad, and if I was to live somewhere in the Caribbean, probably my first home would be in Trinidad and Tobago. But I love the entire Caribbean, and I intend to travel in the entire Caribbean, yeah, showcasing everything about the Caribbean.
Okay, back to our discussion about you and African tigress. You guys stay here. So, how long have you known each other?
African tigress?
Yes, with African
For me,
tigress.
I've known African tigress since the year 2021. 2020. 2020. In the US we call it 2020, but in Africa we call it 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we
2020.
pronounce it.
Yeah.
Now, you have known African tigress for like 4 years now, and
No,
finally.
but we never got to meet.
Oh, this was your first time meeting her. But how comes you met her? You have been in communication, right?
No.
How
Remember, I sat here to request African tigress for a collab. What are you doubting?
Tell us the truth.
No, what are you doubting?
Tell us the truth.
No, I've been following African tigress since the year 2020. She's the person who inspired me to start YouTube. I remember watching Africa tigress when she had around 2,000 to 2,500 subscribers. I remember she was still young in the YouTube space. Yeah, luckily the COVID came up, and that's how many YouTubers got to grow.
Okay, most of the people in your comment section, I saw someone saying that you guys, you're in a relationship. Tell us, is it true?
Relationship?
Yeah, with African tigress, because the reason, even me, I want to know, because African tigress flew all the way from Caribbean countries, came to Kenya, and you are the only person who met her. You took her to the airport. You were there, enjoying together, drinking those kind of, yeah. Let us know. Maybe it's not Claudia Walks who want to know, but also there are some people who want to know. Tell us the truth.
Let me start by saying African tigress is a beautiful girl.
Oh,
A very hardworking girl.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
The fact that I think still I'm the only person who made a public request. Yeah, I made a public request requesting her to grant me a collab. She did. Did you see anyone else do so?
No.
Other people never had that courage, but I had the courage to do so. Yeah. So if I made it public, what's wrong with us taking our interactions public? There is nothing wrong with that, right?
Okay. How was that?
What?
Okay, guys.
No.
Let me know.
I made the request public, and I thought it was wise. Once we meet, I still take the same video to the public.
Okay,
Yeah.
what was that feeling of meeting that beautiful queen?
I was happy. For a very long time, I've been promoting African ladies. Before I used to fight for African ladies. Yeah, on a serious, on a serious note. By the way, I love ladies, and that's why.
Okay.
Anytime I'm producing my content, I must mention ladies.
Okay, I noticed that in your videos and even on the video we did last with you, you mentioned ladies.
Yeah, I
You're
must
talking
mention
of
ladies.
Caribbean ladies and many more other ladies.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There is this. I don't don't know how to call it, but there are some speculations. Let me call them like that.
Speculation from who?
From someone
Who?
that about your relationship with African tigress, because yourself you are calling African Caribbean.
She's the African Caribbean Empress.
The first three names, the first three letters, they are the same.
We are both
African
promoting
tigress.
Africa. We are both promoting Africa. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I made a mistake.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, we are both promoting Africa, and I don't see any mistake.
Okay, are you
with
planning?
that.
Are you planning to meet her again?
Sure, I plan to meet her, but my plans might be different from her plans.
Okay.
Even if she came tomorrow, I still find time to meet African tigress.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Another question, guys. If you need to know about the relationship, anything concerning African tigress, you can ask Gossy Africa, right?
Yeah. Leave comments there.
Yeah.
I wanna get the comments from you there, and then I'll be answering. I will take my time to comment on your video.
Okay,
I will answer them.
You are a traveler. How many countries have you been into so far?
No, I was just a traveler, but I was not a YouTuber. So I have only managed to film 2 countries, Uganda and Tanzania. By traveling, I've traveled to several countries.
Which countries have you been into?
For now, I will say Canada only.
You have been into Canada?
Yeah.
This guy has been to Canada.
Yeah, Canada only. But I've traveled to other countries. But I see the fact that I can't prove. Yeah, as an African, times you do travel without. Our borders are free. They are not so strict. So I've gone to other African countries without passports. So I can't say that I traveled.
So this year you haven't traveled to any country. You
This
haven't
year?
traveled outside Kenya.
This year I haven't traveled to any country.
So I think you will be resuming traveling very soon. Which is your first country that you want to visit?
My first country? Trinidad and Tobago.
Hey, Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah.
Either between Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica, one of those.
Okay, if you're watching from Trinidad and Tobago, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We love Caribbean countries. We love Trinidad and Tobago. We love Jamaica so much. We are sisters and brothers. One love.
One love.
Yeah. Okay. Talking of.
But you call yourself the Jamaican girl.
Yeah,
have you ever been to Jamaica?
I'm going there soon. I've never been into Jamaica, but soon I'll be there. Jamaica is home, man. Jamaica is home.
Do you remember the Prime Minister to Jamaica?
Yes, Andrew
Rollins.
Yes. So Jamaica is home. Remember my lady? So yes, Jamaica is home. Let me say so. Anyway, I'm kidding. Anyway, I love Jamaica.
I think are you in love in Jamaica?
I'm in love with Jamaica and Jamaicans too.
You're in love with a specific person?
A story for another day. Anyway, I love Jamaica. I love Jamaican men. I love Jamaican men. They are so good.
No,
they
you
are
love
so
a
loving.
Jamaican man, not a Jamaican man.
They are so loving, man. Yeah. Now, in your video, you did as you were doing a conversation with African tigress. I think she mentioned that you need a visa to go to, is it Caribbean countries like Grenada?
Oh.
Yeah, I saw that. You will get a visa from South Africa or Botswana. I don't know.
From Botswana.
If I had
The nearest embassy is in Botswana.
Yeah, then in your video, I saw someone saying that you don't need a visa. I don't. If you're watching from those Caribbean countries, can you let us know, please? Because I saw someone saying.
Yeah, I saw someone tell me that.
Let me redo the comment.
You don't need a visa to go to Grenada.
Is it true, guys? We also want to visit those Caribbean countries.
Yeah.
We want to interact with you guys. Yes. So someone was saying this.
Or even
Just-
screenshotted the comment. What did he say?
So, just a point of clarification,
Yeah.
Kenyans can travel to Grenada
Visa
visa free. However, currently, Kenyans need a visa to travel to Guyana. So, is there
To
difference?
Guyana.
Is it
Guyana?
Guyana?
Yeah, Guyana.
Yeah, so, but we expect this to change shortly as Caribbean nations are beginning to shed some of the old colonial practices. Yes, that was a comment from someone who is watching from Caribbean
I
country.
don't know. I'll research more.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe those guidelines changed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not aware.
So if you are watching from Caribbean, any Caribbean highlands, you know about anything related to visa, you can still let us know because we want to meet you guys. You are our biggest fan.
Yeah.
So the reason why I'm here is about you go see Africa meeting African Tigress.
Yeah.
I'm just happy that you are the only person to meet her in
You guys are
Kenya.
very happy I met the African Tigress, right?
Yes, we are happy.
Yeah.
That was like a magic to
Exactly.
me. That's why.
I'm happy as well.
Yeah, we are happy for you, African Tigress. Now, I think you discussed something, and I just want to know. I don't know whether you discussed it behind the scenes or behind the videos.
Yeah.
Okay, how is African Tigress relationship with the MWANGO? Because they were in Caribbean countries. We never saw them together. They were like, oh, this one is in Barbados, this one is in Jamaica, this one is here, Carnival, this one is
Let me start by telling you something.
Mm-hmm.
If you Google about the tigress, the tigers,
Mm-hmm.
a tiger goes out there and hunts alone,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
That means whenever a tigress is out there, we are still confident that she's going to do something good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
even without our presence, right?
Yeah, true.
So I believe that if she had a difference with MWANGO,
Mm-hmm.
she's still in a position to sort it well.
Mm-hmm.
And that said, I have a pending video which I'm here to release, and I will release probably by Saturday, in 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll release.
So your video will be talking about their relationship and other things we need to know, maybe.
No, it will talk more about her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, whenever the tigress comes back to Africa,
Mm-hmm.
we have to inquire. Did anything go unexpected while she was out there?
Mm-hmm.
So everything she will be disclosing in that video.
And
So
when,
you need to put your notification bell on.
of course, yes.
On my
guys.
channel, Go See Africa.
Yeah, for sure.
Go See Africa, it's one word. Go See Africa.
Okay, this is a bit personal.
Uh-huh.
Talking of relationship. When is African Tigress going to introduce our in-laws?
Anything personal about the African tigress
Uh-huh.
will be sorted in the coming video. So we need to watch the coming
So
video.
guys, if you have not subscribed to Go See Africa, make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you want to know about these Kenyan YouTubers, the big Kenyan YouTubers like Claudia Walks, African
you
Tigress.
guys love gossip, right? Your team loves gossip.
Of course. Yes. Anyway, Trini boyfriend.
African Caribbean boyfriend.
Yes, you need to get a girl from Caribbean Islands.
Which country specific? Be specific.
You are calling yourself a Trini boy, so we expect a girl from Trinidad. We need a girl from Trinidad, man, and we as in-laws, we will be happy. We will give you that support.
Sure?
Yeah, of course. Anyway, can you give me the top 10 richest island in Caribbean? All the countries, the richest countries.
Every country is special. Which way it's rich on each
Guys, there is a train passing over there, so you will
Yeah.
excuse us for that noise.
I will excuse myself on this. I will not specify the richest to the poorest.
Mm-hmm.
this might not go well with some members in some countries, yeah. But we have some very rich countries, especially those producing oil in the Caribbean. But I don't want to say this and this is more richer than the other one. Yeah, I just want to be neutral. Anytime I'm visiting your country, I just want you to receive me as a fellow African, someone coming there to promote your country, someone is coming there to say something positive about that country. So I don't mean that I won't show anything negative, but we are being real. But for this one, allow me not to specify the richest and the poorest.
I know you don't want to mess up with the Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad and Tobago is rich.
I know they are rich.
They are rich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are so supportive. We love them, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Other countries are rich in love.
Anyway. Okay, you love Trinidad and Tobago so much.
Sure.
What's so special with that country? Or what do you love most with that country?
The people there are so hospitable, they are so friendly. Most guys there have received so many invitations from the residents of Trinidad and Tobago. Even those guys residing in the US. Most of them have promised me to fund my trip once I get there. But remember, you have tickets, fares from Kenya to Trinidad.
Yeah.
You have to sort it yourself.
Yeah.
So once I'm ready, once I have everything in place, then I guess they are going to step in. I love the beaches.
They are so beautiful.
Yeah, the likes of Scarborough.
Oh.
We have. I know several.
I know their
Maybe,
names
I
are
don't know,
hard to pronounce.
I'm forgetting. Yeah, I know
It's
several.
not, I know it's not. You are not forgetting. I know they are hard for you to pronounce.
Yeah, they are hard to pronounce. Then the musicians there.
Can you sing for us when?
Can we imagine visiting that village where Nicki Minaj is coming from, where Calypso Rose is coming from, where
Calypso,
Trinidad James is coming from, where this former soccer player duet, where this guy is coming from. That the largest roundabout in the world.
Queen Savannah.
Yeah, Queen's Park Savannah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Going there, maybe taking some circles there, rounds there during the carnival. Then what else about that land?
Talk about Trinidad ladies. You're forgetting ladies.
No, I'm not forgetting. You just rushed. You just rushed. They are beautiful. And they told me that when it comes to time to party,
they party like they will never party.
Then the following day, they'll go to apologize. They go to confess. Yeah, to confess in the church.
I saw someone on your comment
like that.
saying that.
Yeah. Then when it comes to time to work, they still work hard.
Yeah,
there is time for everything. And I learned that from the African tigress by then. That lady works hard.
Really?
Yeah, she works hard. So anything she does, you are on the road, you are everywhere.
It's content.
Yeah, she's working. We call it work. That's our work. She works hard. Yeah. Though still she's very friendly. Just like those people.
I saw that lady is so friendly, man.
Yeah,
even
just
you
like
took,
those people
even you took
in
her to the
Trinidad and
airport.
Tobago. Yeah, she's so friendly. Leave alone me. In every place we got with her, she was so friendly to those people. Though even those who don't notice her, yeah, she likes sharing with them. Hey, telling them goodbye, laughing with them. Yeah.
But when
so friendly.
When you were at airport, I was waiting for you to cry. I was waiting for you to cry.
Do men cry?
Yeah, sometimes
men cry.
Because after
an African man.
I don't know. Let us know in the comment section if men cry. If men cry. Because you were like, you don't want to go.
She should have been the one.
African Tigress doesn't want to go.
She
Then
should
you
have
were
been
like,
the one to cry.
even you edited the video, there instant. So guys, we need to see more.
What happened after that?
Yeah, we need to see you doing collabs. We love what we saw. We loved it, man.
So you watched the video to the end?
I always watch the videos. I don't know whether you watch mine too. Okay, go see Africa.
We had a good time.
Yeah, you had a good time. I saw that, and that's what we want: supporting each other. Whether you are a bigger YouTuber, you are an upcoming YouTuber, that's all what we need.
I think she supports. So long as she learns that you support her, you watch her videos, African Tigress will always support you.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. Don't expect from nowhere. You don't watch her content. You know nothing about her content.
Yes.
She has never seen you type anything. Then you expect to request for a collab
Yeah, true.
and get granted. You'll never see that. Yeah.
Now, if given a chance to marry from Caribbean, will you?
Caribbean ladies,
Yes.
leave a comment. I don't know whether they love me or not. Yeah. So I wanna hear their comment.
I don't want to ask whether he is single or not, but I've just if given a chance.
I want them to leave a comment. Caribbean ladies, do you like me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe he is single. Maybe he needs someone from Caribbean.
Yeah.
Let
I
us
wanna
know.
hear. I wanna hear from them.
Yeah. Okay. Go see Africa.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here.
Mm-hmm.
And
You
guys.
seem excited.
Yeah, I'm
seem
excited.
happy.
I'm happy, man. Anyway, guys, go see Africa. Thank you so much for accepting me, for accepting and creating time to be here with me, creating a content. Guys, it's not an easy. What am I going to put it?
An easy task.
Yes, calling a YouTuber, living all this.
But don't you think that most celebrities fake to be busy?
Yeah, they fake to be busy.
They fake to be busy. Yeah. Anytime you're reaching out to someone, they be like, "Oh, I'm busy. I'm not available for the next 2 weeks or so."
But when they see you on top,
but they was given the mantle to lead Africa. Did you see that?
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
guys, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. Make sure you support this beautiful girl, and also make sure you check him out on his YouTube channel. Go see Africa, the Afro-Caribbean boyfriend. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you
For
so
your
much
time.
for inviting me here.
Tell African Tigress something.
African Tigress,
Yes.
Africa loves you.
Not go see Africa
No,
loves you.
Africa is ready to support you. Yeah, I told you to keep on conquering the world.
Yeah.
Then you leave Africa to me. Yeah.
Leave Africa to him, but
Yeah.
I know soon he will be following you.
So that means whenever she comes to Africa, yeah, she has to seek consent that tell me that
From you.
I'm in Africa.
Yeah.
So am I allowed to be around? So go see Africa. Can you receive me at the airport?
Yeah, very
That's how
true.
it's supposed to be.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So tell my fans something who are watching from Go See Africa, Caribbean, everywhere in the whole world. Tell them something.
Guys, keep on supporting this lady. She's doing an amazing job. Regardless of whether she's talking about Jamaica.
I love Jamaica.
You are from Trinidad, support her. Yeah.
At the end of the day.
For now, maybe she's so much obsessed with the Caribbean. But regardless of whether you are in Africa, you're in America, keep on supporting her. Show her love. Like the video and comment. Yeah. And don't forget to get to my channel, Go See Africa.
Yes.
Yeah. Subscribe. Get me to 5,000 subscribers, and definitely I'll do you proud.
Yeah.
I'll showcase
We want to
everything
see
you
you
need to
there.
see. Yeah. And I promise that I will never divide, especially those guys in the Caribbean. I promise that I will never divide you guys. I will always make sure that you are united.
The mistake
I promise to promote peace and
the
unity.
mistake you will ever do is comparing those countries.
Yeah, I was
never
trying
do
to divide those guys in the Caribbean. They are our brothers and sisters.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So that is this for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, share with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.